Hello and welcome to Formatting Your Posts on the Penn LPS Commons Screencast. My name is James David Saul and I'm the Commons Web Manager here at Penn LPS. And today I'm going to show you a few things you can do on the Commons to format your posts. So we're going to start with a post that I created last time in pasting your text from Microsoft Word. So hopefully you have a nice clean and unformatted post to start with. So we're going to focus on these tools up in the top left for now. And they can do a variety of things. They can make your text bold. They can make your text italicized. They can make your text underlined. And they can strike through your text as well. There's also this drop down here with a bunch of preloaded formats for you. And the ones that you really need to be concerned with are the headings. This is a good way to start off your post, and we would recommend that the biggest one you use is a heading 3. The heading 2 is really big, and you don't really need text that big on the Commons. So if you select heading 3, whatever line you're on will change to heading 3. Or you can highlight the text, select heading 3, and there you go. Next, we're going to focus on this area here, which is for text alignment and creating ordered and unordered lists. So if I want to make a certain block of text be center aligned, I would click this button that says Align Center, and there it goes. And then if I wanted to move that back to be left aligned, I would click this button and it's back to being aligned left. Now we're going to create an unordered list for reasons that Will Smith should move from West Philadelphia. So reasons Will Smith should move from West Philadelphia. We're going to go ahead and make this a heading 3. And our first reason is couple of guys who were up to no good. Now I want this to be a bullet point, so we'll go up to the Unordered List button and select it. And there you go. Now it's a bullet point. And if we hit enter, another bullet point is automatically created for us. So, started making trouble in my neighborhood. And then one small fight. And this will keep creating bullet points for you until you click the Unordered List button, and then it goes away. Now, for some reason we wanted an ordered list. These bullets would essentially be numbers, and we can just do that by selecting all the text and switching it to an ordered list. So it's real easy to toggle in between an ordered and unordered list. You can just do that by clicking these buttons here. There are two last things that I want to talk about in today's screencast. The first is indentation, and the second is subscript and superscript. So with indentation, you can select a block of text and hit indent, and it will start moving it to the right. And you can also move it back by selecting the outdent button. And this is good. It's just like hitting tab on your keyboard, except you're formatting it with the Commons rich text editor. And the last thing we want to talk about is subscript and superscript. So if you have an annotation or a list of annotations at the bottom, this is referenced somewhere else. You can just type in number 1 or number whatever, and there you go. You get your subscript there. And then for superscript, E equals MC squared. You would select the 2 and hit superscript. So these are just a few things that you can do with text in the Commons rich text editor so that your texts are formatted nicely and they look good on the Commons. If you have any questions, of course, you can submit them to our help desk, and that URL is just going to flash on your screen for a second there. And if you have any suggestions for screencasts in the future, you can just send me an email, and my email address is going to appear right there. And then finally, you can view all our other screencasts at pennlpscommons.org/screencast. View them, learn, and have a great experience on the Commons. Thank you so much for tuning into this screencast, and have a nice day.